Okay, so you're going to go to the Workhorse login screen. It's trueaction.workhorse.group.us. Put your username in, password, log in, go to your view, if that's available. If you have more than one view, you'll see that screen. If you don't have more than one view, you wouldn't see it. Should take you to this first screen with all the projects here. Here is import data into Studio. This bar appears very important. It says project, all projects. You have to choose which one you want to go into. Otherwise, you'll just insert your information into no place. Betsy Johnson. You'll see here transformation map. You want Betsy Johnson, not the historic, because historic just goes into, it's not production. It's just for historical data. Betsy Johnson. Click browse. I have two here. It has to be a CSV document. It has to have the headers. It has to be a template based. So here is the one that I created for myself. Open. And it'll say import. Once import is initiated, do not refresh the browser window. Okay, hit import. There you go. It will give you a preview of it, and this is how it should look. You can say import. Okay. You'll see up here, import status is synchronous. As long as it's a small import, it runs pretty quickly. You can say return to import, and you'll see it's complete. Sometimes if you hit that, it'll come back and still say it's synchronous, meaning it's doing something. You can also go into the view import log, and you can see that, let's make this bigger, Betsy Johnson, there's the document, there's the time, status is complete, who did it, the start time, the end time, and if there's a problem though, all this is sort of not necessary, but if there was a problem, it would say that there was a problem here, so you can kind of check here. Also, if there was duplicate records, it would do it again. So if I go here, and I'll show you, I'll do this on purpose. Make sure my transformation map is Betsy Johnson. Make sure this is Betsy Johnson. Okay. And I'm going to Betsy Johnson. I'm going to try importing the same data again. Okay. Import. I'm going to say yes. Right. Here's the screen that comes up. Now, it just did a check and realized that I had imported this particular style previously, and it's going to say, what do you want to do over here in the actions? You can bulk say, don't import. You can create duplicate samples, which I recommend not doing. If it is a reshoot, choose it. If it's a reshoot non-billable, choose it, so on and so forth. Now, let's say they send you the exact same style, but this style, RC whatever, was a dress. Now it's a handbag. Okay, you'd want to say update only, or over here, update only, meaning that now there's new information, like the description is going to change, and you're going to shoot it again, and it's going to be billable. So you'd want to do update only. So, or, I'm sorry, if it's a change, you'll probably say new shot billable. If it's update only, mean they sent you the wrong information, like it was addressed, it's supposed to be this, and you just want to update the record. That's what this is for. This is a very important part of it, though. For here, I'm going to say don't import because I know I just did them all. Set all the actions to don't import. I'm going to say continue. Import job is run. Turn to import. And it didn't import. So that begins the import process. And once again, you can also go back here to view everything to be imported.
I'm like dying.
Okay, pause.